How to use Discord on phone for beginners. Well, hello everyone. Welcome to the beginner's guide video for Discord users. Well, first things first, you can always get the Discord from your Play Store or App Store. Then you can open it up. You'll be straight on the login page. You can log into your account easily. It's pretty simple. However, once you're logged in, here is what you'll get. At the bottom, you'll find Home option, Notifications option, and View option. If you want to head into Notifications, select Notifications. You'll be able to see Notifications. Tap on three dots at the top and you can select the notification settings. If you head into View option, you'll be able to see the option to edit your profile. If you wish to edit your profile, you can see the member scenes, you can see your friends here. If you tap on Settings here, you can see the Settings option. And if you have any account settings, content and social, data privacy settings, you'll find it right here. All the billing settings, app settings, and such, right? Now let's get on how you can use it. Well, if you want to add new friends, you can tap on the chats icon. You can tap on chat there and you'll be able to find your inbox here. Then you can see add friends option. You can either share your link or add by username or find friends, that is your contacts. Similarly, if you want to join the server, you can join the server easily by tapping on the plus icon here, and you can see the join a server. If you have an invitation, you can enter in the Discord invitation link here and join it. Once you have joined the server, you'll find every joined server here at the left hand side. You can tap on it. If you have your own server, you can get an interface somewhat like this. You can see general chat, clips and highlights. You can see lobby and gaming. So if you want to join voice channel, you can head into particular voice channels and join it. So hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.